So this is the question in GFG. So I only write the height. Okay, so I show you every pattern. First of all, recursion to memoization, then memoization to tabulation, and then page optimization. So stay here. I show you all. So first of all, in recursion, what I write, I only return a function which give me my answer. So I pass n minus 1. From last, I check n minus 1 is 1 and is 2. Okay, now the function. id int if id int j, and another is my string 1 string 2, I just copy it. Okay, I just copy it. Okay, now first of all base case when exhausted. So if my I is less than 0 or j is less than 0, return what? Sorry, return, mm, return 0. This is the not answer of this question. This is only longest common substring which I show you. But this question I make another way. Okay, I only show you longest common substring first. Then I could solve this question. Okay. Then you write that if my same, so if is one of I, okay, and then sorry, is one of I equal to my is two of j, if same, then what I write, return 1 plus function of I minus 1 both reduce j minus 1. Okay, then you write s1 and s2. Okay, okay, and mm, if not match, then what I write, if you are in return my anybody not give me answer, maximum of function of first of all first string reduce j constant s1 and s2. Okay, then function of I constant j minus 1 and s1 and s2. Okay, so this is my longest common substring question. And if I solve this question, so what I write, I only pass the function that give me LCS. So I write mm, int LCS longest common substring equal to this function, and what give me my answer. So I write my return my size in minus my n minus my longest common substring which are common plus my another string m minus my longest common substring. Okay, I think pass all the test case. Yeah, sure, but it give me time limit exit. Okay, runtime error or time limit exit. You see that time limit exit. So what I need it by memoization for time save and what pace of also save. This here explanation. So what I need a 2D DP array. So I write vector integer, sorry, 2D DP vector integer DP, which size need. First of all, I show the this base case only. I not shift the reduce. I only see how it solve this recursion into just memoization. Okay, so uh, n minus 1, m minus 1, and dp n comma, and you write v with your vector integer m n minus 1. Okay, okay, you only pass the dp You only pass the dp and you write vector integer dp. This is also passed here. Using call by reference. Okay, because I need to change here. And every time before function call must be checked if my dp of I, if my dp of if my dp of ij not equal to minus 1 means already I stored the value. Return dp of I j. Okay, okay. Then so whenever you write my answer, you first to dp of I and j. Here you store. So I copy it for second one. Here also stored same. Okay, and you pass every time the dp in the function. If you not do this, give me you error. Oh, okay. So now if you run, it also pass, and that's your memorization is also clearly possible. Okay. So now I make it index shift. How it only you need n plus 1 and m plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now you check. This is not. Now I equal to 0. This is my base case. Okay. And j equal to 0. This is also good. And only check just here. If I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay. I think now it's possible. What the problem? Okay. 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 If I minus 1 and j minus 1 is not possible. Okay. So dp of now. So okay, okay, okay. So but I I increase the n value, but now need to call nm. I think now it's possible. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. This is and if you make now this memoization to tabulation, what you do? You only simple change here. This is my zero initially, and for base case you write for integer I equal to 0, I greater than n, sorry, greater than equal to n, and I plus plus. I show you that anybody I value, but if my j is 0, then j is 0, then what is my answer? Equal to 0. Also same for another. I just not change 0 and this is. Okay, this is my base. Okay, and you write I show you in another place. Okay, that okay. Uh, if I solve, okay, I just simple shift it. Uh, okay, I just simple shift it here. Okay, huh. Now you see that n m and s1 s2 not need to dp pass. Okay, if you pass, but I don't need. I do there. Okay, and now You write my for integer I equal to 1, I going to greater than equal to n, I plus plus, and for my j equal to 1, j greater than equal to n, and j plus plus. Okay, sorry, here not m, it's m, and here also not n, it will m. Okay, now you write if it is match means s1 of I minus 1 equal to s2 of j minus 1. Okay, if it then you write dp of I dp of ij equal to 1 plus dp of I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, okay, and for the last you write if it not, then what I write? So else, else, if not match, then what I write? Ij equal to 0 plus maximum of dp of I minus 1 and j constant, and for another dp of I constant but j minus 1. J minus 1. Okay, okay. And lastly, what I return? Return dp of n and m. Okay. Here also need the side. If I not give, nothing worry. But I give. What now? Give it all. Okay. Here I not need to dp. Then okay. And yeah, it's also run fine. Now how you do by pace optimization? You see that how I do first recursion, then memoization, then shift memoization, then tabulation, then now pace optimization. How you do it? You only need two array. One is previous array and one is current array. Okay, because I say you in every problem where you see dp of I minus 1, you also write this is get by previous value. So you make two array v is your vector integer dp, not need dp, previous of n plus 1 comma 0, and another is n plus 1 comma 0. Okay, here you write, that previous and all are previous. So here you write dp of I means my previous value, and if you not write, no problem, because this is not any current. I solve it. Okay, so you cancel it, and where you see dp of I minus 1, you write the previous, and where you see dp of I, you write it current. You are current, and lastly you return my current value. My you are current. Here also say current, but lastly you change it. Previous equal to CUR current, and here you write previous of him. I think now will also run fine. What problem now? Hmm. Okay. I not write the currents. You are a current. Yeah, fine. So hope guys you will understand all the you understand all the but here okay I see. Okay, okay. Here is the point because I need only column, not the row side. I think here will pass. Yeah, fine. So hope guys you will understand all the code and thank you so much for stay consistent till now. Okay, तब तक keep coding, keep growing, keep grinding. Bye bye.